found a file in my downloads. It's a speech that I wrote. It's a 3-minute long speech on why we should allow class 1 pedal assist bikes in the park. So that is what we're going to add. So choose file. Does this work? Yes, yes. In downloads. Yes, yes. E-bike, 3 minutes. Open. Nice. Okay. It's not going to work. Okay. So something failed. Oh, CSR. That's a security token. All right, all right, all right. So here's what we do. We do not panic. We take whatever we're given and we go back to our AI. We say something clever like, got this error, fix it. And then you paste it in there. Bad request. The CFRS token is missing. And lo and behold, what's it going to do? It's going to say, oh, yes, that's an error. This needs to be added to wordcounter.html. Add that. Important note. No, 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 no. Give me the whole file. There we go. There's the whole file. Okay. Remember what we do? Copy. We go over to Atom. Remember what that is, because that is the HTML file in our new word counter. It's under their templates right there. Wordcounter.html. Select all, delete, paste, and save. Okay. Now we return to our terminal. So we just did one cycle of testing, fixing, testing, debugging it, editing it. Now we're going to save it. We're going to put it back on Heroku and we're going to test it again. Okay, we go to the terminal and we do those 3 commands again. Git add, that moves all my files up. Git, whoops, that was a mistake. Oh, good, it caught me. Commit next. I'm just gonna keep the same name because I guess. And then git push Heroku main, okay, and let it run again. Da, 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 da. Take just a moment. So there are just some words of advice here. So we're going to probably hit a whole bunch of errors. Don't give up. Knock them down one by one, unless you think the AI needs to be reset, in which case, resave your files and then start fresh and say, where's the bug in all this code? And so you get a bunch of different things that happen. So if you get something on the screen, great, paste it in. It'll probably figure out what it is and update your code. If you don't get anything on your screen, then you might need to run the log in the terminals. That's the second step. So if it freezes out there and it won't load, then it's probably in the error logs, and that you can get to quite easily, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, it's done. Let's see, how far did we get? Okay, this is now this next cycle of testing. So I'm going to go back to the original one, and I'm going to reload it. Okay. Okay. Whoop. But what the? Okay, let's see if this worked. There's probably an error here. Okay, where's my document? Count words. Oh, okay, hold on. I know we have an error because you saw what was on the text. Okay, so got this again. Did you update? Did I need to update anything else? Paste the error in. you're still getting this even after adding to your form. Double check that you're initiating this in your virtual lab Python correctly. Here's the relevant section. Give me all the virtual lab. Okay. Now let's check this. So I am going to check it because I know where to find it because it's in this. So if we go to the top of this, do we see anything about virtual? Huh. And then what about what's different here? So we did that. Word counter.html. And okay. Let's cross our fingers. As I said, we're going to have a whole bunch that are going to be busted. Okay, so what do? Select, delete, paste, and save. Okay, there's the cycle. That's the only thing that we think we had to update, but I'm getting a little suspicious. So if it doesn't work this time, okay, remember the cycle? Add, commit, still debugging, push. Wait for it. Okay, so we're going through the second cycle of debugging this program. So this particular token is a security token that when my application, and I learned this from the AI because I asked it to look at my code and make recommendations, and it said, you have this huge security flaw and you need to add this. So apparently when I open a window from another window, then this token has to match. So it's not matching. Okay, almost there. Here we go. Let's go back. Run it. But what's that? Okay, making a copy of that. I'm gonna do something shorter. I'm gonna do just straight text. You little monster. Okay. There's a different error here. Okay, don't panic. Don't panic. We can fix this. Here's how you do it. Okay, so you got to break this down. So there's something weird that's going on. Updated both files. Still get error. Can we run the app directly without gallery? Would that help? It is. What's going on? Okay, we're going to run that because we haven't. There we go. Copy and paste. Okie dokie. All right, let's think about this for a minute. Continue. Okay, let's back up. So we're able to choose a file, but when we hit count words, it blows up. Let's tell it that. Okay, so what did it give us? Whoa, okay, let's see. Incorrect rendering. You're probably just printing the CSRF token directly within the page instead of properly including it. Oh, see, that was the clue. That was the clue. Including it as a hidden input file. Okay, force machine, not sending the results back in the post solution. Here's what needs to be done. Okay, that, what program is that? Okay, that's good. I recognize that code. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, so I think maybe we've got a breakthrough here. Okay, virtual lab.py. Good, 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 good. Well, I don't know if it's good, but you know, here we go. Sorry for the delay. We're finding it. This is debugging. But this is all going to be worth it. Okay, watch this. Okay, we're going to copy virtual lab.py here. Delete, paste, save. Done. Okay, and we're going to import update of word counter.py. Copy word counter.py, select, delete, paste, save, and word counter.html. HTML, the other part. Oh, and we're going to do gallery. We're going to all of them. Wow, okay. I don't know why it wants me to do so much, but if it works, I'll be happy. Word counter.html and gallery.html. Okay. A lot of changes. This is why we don't do so many changes. What was that? Oh, gallery.html. Gallery.html, and we do it again. Select, delete, paste, and save. Okay, so we have all these orange ones. Those are all new. And let's make sure there's nothing else. You should solve all your issues. Restart the server and test it. Okay, so now we go back to the terminal and we run R3. Add, commit, push, and let her rip. Okay, let's go back to, whoops, back to here while we wait. Testing requires you to puzzle it out and then instruct the AI to correct it. So you need to retrieve different errors that are hidden in different places. So we saw ones that are on the screen. I told you about running a log, which I'll show you how to do that. You do that here from terminal. I'm hoping, well, not really hoping, but we'll probably run into one. So, and then the last thing that you can do when there's something really nefarious in there is there's a view called the developer view console in your browser, and you can open that up and you can see the messages flying around inside your application, and you can copy those and paste them into your AI and tell it to fix it. Okay, so it ran. Let's see if it worked. I'm doubtful. Word counter. Let's choose a file. Oh, well, that one thing's gone. That long string, so that's good. Let's see. Did it? It did it. Oh my gosh. It did it. It did it. It did it. Wow. Wow. Okay, so a couple things. They're not sorted. I'm very happy so far. Very happy. That wasn't too bad. Okay, let's pause here. And then we'll talk about this and how we want to improve it.